Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Know the Edge. So I am here up with a new video to show you all how to host a website or web design from GitHub freely. So here, first of all, let me show you the web design where I have created, which I have created, and I need to host this website to show this web design to some of my friends. And you can see that this is the web design. And now, this is a very raw link, and we can't share it to anyone because this is only the address of the index file, and we can't share it. This is not a shareable link. We need a proper link so that it can be shared. For that, we will open a tab in Google and just search for github.com, and you can just see that this is the first link of the GitHub, and we will click on it. And after if you are a new user to a GitHub, you have to first sign in to this, and after that you will get this interface. As you can see, I have already signed in, and after this you will get this interface over here, and you can see two options for creating a repo, clone repository, and this is new. And you can also see a plus sign over here to create a new repository or a clone repository. You will click on the new, and I will choose a repository name. We can give it any name, and I will give it as a code arena, and this is showing that this is available. And now see it carefully that we have to add .github.io after any of our repository name, and yes, this is mandatory. And remember that ensure that you have added .github.io after every your repository name. Make sure that it is public, and add a readme file and create repository. After that, we can see that our clone repository is ready here. We can see that the readme file is also created. uh, this is our repository name, codearena.github.io, and okay, this is the link over here, but this will not work absolutely for. And now we will open another tab, and we will search for uh, GitHub for desktop. We will search for GitHub dot for desktop, sorry. uh, and and you can see this link. Actually, it is a desktop version for GitHub, and we have to download it. And you can see that it is available for Mac OS and Windows both, and it automatically smells my system. It is saying that download for Windows 64, and yes, I will click on it. And it is a very simple and straightforward process for downloading. It is very easy, and you can see that it is started to download, and it is of 110 MB. I will give it the time to download, and you can see that uh, it have been downloaded. And I will click on show in folder, and or you can just simply go to the download section of your system and click on github.exe, and you can see it is saying us to sign in, and we will click on it, and it is again taking us back to the app, the software, and we have to sign in first. So I will give it a name, and I will also choose a email ID, and we will click on finish. So after that, we can see that there are four options over here: tutorial repository from the internet on your hard drive, and the repository from existing repository from a hard drive. You will click on the clone repository from the internet, and you will go to URL, and where we will get the URL. See, we will get the URL on the page where we have visited github.com, and we will get the link over here, code, and you can see the HTTPS, which means that this is the secure. And we'll copy this link over from here and just paste it there, and paste it, and click on clone. So yes, our it is cloning our repository. We will give it some time, and yes, it is created. So now it is fetching our repository. So yes, it is fetched, and we will again click on the fetch so that no formalities have been left out. So here we can see three options over here. If you have keep your project is somewhere else, we will click on the Visual Studio Code. But now I will click on the Explorer, and we will open the folder where we have created our project, and just uh, select it or copy this. We will copy this folder files from our folder. We will copy our project files from here, and or we can simply drag and drop our files. So let me just close this files, and you can see that our files have been added. After this, we are asked to give a summary name, and it is required. So we will you can give any name you want. I will name it as code arena, and you can also give a description if you want, and click on commit to main, and click on fetch origin. It is showing that fetching origin, so we'll give it some time to do so. Okay, now it is being fetched, and so we can see three options over here. Now we will click on view on GitHub, and it will take us to our website, GitHub website version. So you can see that our project files also have been added with the README files. This is a clone repository which we have created at the beginning, and so yes, it has been created. And also you can see that our repository has been created as codearena.github.io. Now we will click on settings, and we will okay, we can rename this repository name. I won't, and we'll go below and find for GitHub pages, and yes, here it is. We will click on the link. It will redirect us to another page. So it is the link for the GitHub pages. We will change the source type to main, and yes, it will show us that it will create a repository, and we will choose it as main, and click on save. Okay, now see that it is published and ready to publish at this link, and if you click on this link, it will not be available because the link is not yet activated. And to get this link activated, we will again repeat the same process. We will go to settings, and we will just go for GitHub pages, and you go to GitHub pages and click on it, and you can see, yes, we can see that our link has been activated. It has been published at here. So if we now click on this link, we can see our website over here, web design over here. And so yes, this is the link. It has been created, showing that it is created over here. So now we can share this link to any of my friends to show this website, and so this is for today. Hope it helped you. Thank you. Subscribe to know the edge.